Okay, Marian, welcome to Guimaras. Mama,
We are now in Guimaras at Lapi. You know, this place is very holy place, you know. This place is very peaceful.
Guimaras, known for its Manggahan Festival because of its sweet mangoes.
Bawal dito, papasok yung buto ng mangga.
There's Mama Lynn posing. Come on. One more.
Uy, look, oh. Ano nakasabi? What for?
Ilaw.
Ay, no.
Ilaw, just like a Christmas light.
Hindi?
Yun, ano yun? Pang, ano, sa mga insekto.
Oh?
Oh, yari yan sa, ano, suka at saka yung, ano, maskubado.
This is Trappist Abbey. We're here.
Ay, daw.
Dito, flower, floweret.
Oh,
The floweret.
Mhm.
Oh.